Welcome to Technia TV. I am Gitika from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today we are going to talk about accounting cycle. Now what do you mean by accounting cycle? Accounting cycle majorly divided into various parts. It is a kind of cycle which revolves, as you can see over here. It is diagrammatically shown. In this accounting cycle, number one is identify transactions. Financial transactions start the process. If there are no financial transaction, there would be nothing to keep track of. Transactions may include a debt payoff, any purchases or acquisition of assets, sales revenue or any expenses incurred. Next step of the accounting cycle is journal entries. With the transactions set in the place, the next step to record these entries in the company's journal in a chronological order. In debiting one or more accounts, crediting one or more accounts. The debit and credit must always be balanced. Next step to the accounting cycle is posting to the journal ledger. After journalization, we post to the ledger accounts. The journal entries are then posted to the journal ledger where a summary of all transactions to individual accounts can be seen. We make different accounts of different heads in the ledger posting. Next step for the accounting cycle is trial balance. Trial balance at the end of the accounting period, which may be quarterly, monthly, yearly, depending upon the company. A total balance is calculated for the accounts. Next step for the accounting cycle is worksheet. Worksheet. When the debits and credits on the trial balance does not match, the bookkeeper must look for the errors and make corrective adjustments that are tracked on a worksheet. So we do the questions on rectification of errors also, which come under this part. Next part for the accounting cycle is adjusting entries. At the end of company's accounting period, adjusting entries must be posted to the account for accruals and deferrals. Now the next part for the accounting cycle, financial statements. The balance sheet, income statement, cash flow statement can be prepared using the correct balances. We have to make different financial statements so that we can judge the profitability of the company. Last part for the accounting cycle is closing. We have to close the accounts. The revenue and expenses accounts are closed and zeroed out for the next accounting year. This is because revenue and expense accounts are income statement accounts which show performance for a specific period. Balance sheet accounts are not closed because they show the company's financial position at a certain point of time. With respect to this closing, we start again with the journal entry with the identification of the transaction. So this cycle goes and goes and goes. So it is a never ending process. For more such videos, please subscribe Technia TV. Thank you so much.